This is the KANSUN model LT-9100D. Just a quick demo. It has adjustable speed, knee lift. It has a needle positioner where you stop and start, and it's an incredibly quiet machine without a giant motor. You can see. Runs on 220, but you can get a little cheap Amazon, what do they call it? A transformer. They cost about $40 to $80, and you can use it in your home. Okay, so we'll go slow. And now you hold. Okay, and we're gonna go high speed. Okay, there we go. It can go through mid-weight, lightweight to mid-weight material up to jeans. We'll do a couple folds of this. Lift. It has a reverse lever. Make sure you get the whole machine ready. Self-winding bobbin. And we're out of bobbin. Okay, so we're gonna do the different stitch lengths. This is the maximum stitch length. And this machine goes up to very high speed, as you can see. Okay, now we're going to reduce the stitch length to the minimal stitch length. Not minimal because it gets stitched in place, but we'll go all the way down to about, almost down to 1. There we go. You can have very nice, tight, teeny tiny stitches, perfect for lingerie, tarps, anything. That's the reverse. I'm going to go to number 3. That's reverse, stitch backwards. Speed regulator. It can go even faster than this, which is absolutely insane. Okay, ready? Watch. Now let's go to higher stitch. So, for the price, this machine is ridiculous. It does not have an automatic thread cutter, but it does chain right off, unlike domestic machines, so you don't need to worry about it.